Namaste and good afternoon all of you. I'm Swati Almal. So we would like to thank all our sponsors who have been a great support to us. So it's time for sponsors felicitation. And I'd like to invite Darshana ji and Nidhi ji to join us for the same. May I also invite our conveners of the event, Rachna and Simi, to join us on stage, please. I request our gift partners, Shweta Dalmia of Yarki, Suchitra Binani of Nani's Garden, and Sapna Singhania of the Handloom Hub to join us on stage to felicitate our powered by sponsors, in-cap advisors, Mr. Sameer Agarwal. Please join us on stage, sir. Mr. Sameer Agarwal, can we have our gift partners also? Yeah, please join us on stage. Shweta Dalmia of Yarki, Suchitra Binani of Nani's Garden, and Sapna Singhania of the Handloom Hub. Thank you for joining us, Kavita ji. Give a huge round of applause to our sponsors. They have been a great support throughout. Thank you so much. I request our gift partners and our conveners, Rachna and Simi, to remain here for the next sponsor felicitation too. Thank you Kavita ji, thank you Sami sir for your endless support. Now may I invite Miss Manya Kanoi, Miss Nivedita Roy and Miss Shruti Gupta from Himadri Specialty Chemical Limited, our gold sponsors, to join us please. तालियां बजती रहनी चाहिए यार sponsors, तालों की गड़गड़ाहट. Please give them a huge round of applause. Manya ji, Nivedita ji, Shruti ji, thank you so much for joining us. Thank you. Thank you all so much. May I now ask Shweta ji and Rajeshri ji, our conveners, to join us. And thank you Simi ji and Rachna ji. And I request our gift partners to please remain here with the directors. Shweta ji and Rajeshri ji, please join us. I now request Ms. Payal Kothari on behalf of CFBP and Bajaj Electricals, our silver sponsors. Ma'am, please join us. Thank you so much. Can we have a huge round of applause for Ms. Payal Kothari? Yes, yes, please. This is the sponsors felicitation for CFBP and Bajaj Electricals, our silver sponsors. Sorry, what the date? We will have you back again to speak for us a few words about your experience. So. Give them a huge round of applause, all of you. Thank you CFBP and Bajaj Electricals for sponsoring us for this event. you. Shweta ji and Rajashri ji हमारे साथ बने रहिए please. Also the directors and our gift partners. Let's invite our next sponsor, Mr. Vinay Mohta from SKM Financial Services, our insurance partner, on stage, please. Please join us, sir. Thank you for joining us, sir, and thank you for sponsoring us too. Nidhi, come on. Incomplete without you. Join us. Thank you all of you once again. No. Thank you all of you once again. Thank you all so much. Now I request Kavita ji to join us, please. It's time for meeting our eminent jury members who have meticulously evaluated the journeys of our members for the right selection of awardees and recognizing their efforts. Thank you all of you for taking up the most critical job. May I now invite Kavita ji, our in-house jury, to join us, please. Give her a huge round of applause. और हम अब साथ में आमंत्रित करते हैं our Chief Guest of Honor, Founder and Joint Chairman of Imami Group, Shri R.S. Goenka ji ko on stage. Ram Ram sir. Thank you for joining us. Please give him a huge round of applause. May I also invite Ms. Shagun Tulsian. Please join us, Shagun. Dhanyavad, sir. May I now request Kavita and Shagun to please do the honors. तालियां बजती रहनी चाहिए, all of you, please. Legend in the house. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद सर, आप आए आज हमारे हौसले बढ़ाने के लिए। और सर, may I request you, please. Thank you, all of you. I request Kavita ji and Mr. Goenka ji to felicitate our jury member, Ms. Payal Kothari. May I invite Ms. Payal Kothari to join us, please. She is an advocate and solicitor practicing at the Bombay High Court since 1995, mediator, Indian Merchants Chamber, CFBP Director and EC member, Chair of the Meditation Cell, CFBP Curator of Women Empowerment Summit, CFBP. I request Goenka ji and Kavita ji to do the honors, please. Give her a huge round of applause. It's a very crucial thing to be a jury, to go through everybody's journeys, bio sketches, and then select meticulously the awardee. The selection process is very, very crucial. Thank you so much. Dhanyavad sir, Kavita ji, Shagun, Darshana ji for joining us. Thank you so much. Ms. Payal, can you please join me on the podium? We just want We want you to share your experience with us about your association with Pehchan. Few lines, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Cafe. Good evening, Cafe. I'm here since last 2 days, and your energy and your vitality over this period of 2 days has really grown on me. The process started when I was invited to be the jury by our lovely Kavita. I'll talk about cafe later because you leave the last bite, the best part of the food as your last bite. So I'm going to leave that. And today, formally and officially, I represent CFBP and the president of CFBP, who also happens to be my life partner. So CFBP was a brainchild of the great industrialists of India, JRD Tata, Birlas, Bajaj. And it was started on 2nd October 1966. And CFBP believes, it stands for Council for Fair Business Practices. And the fairness, it started with fairness to the consumers because it was initiated by the industrialists. And I will not get into more details. CFBP also believes in imparting fairness to women, and we have our women empowerment summits and fair business practices summits, etc., which are held. And we have different tiers of membership. We have our Kolkata chapter here, and the chapter chief is, of course, Kavita. And for the memberships, you can connect with her. Now I'm done with the formal part of the speech. So Cafe, I am impressed and inspired, truly inspired. When I went through the applications, I may sound very cliched, but the applications gave me a complex and also inspired me. The applications were from the change makers, like storytellers, who have helped women change their narratives, to production of sustainable products. Some of the winners are there over here today. And let me tell you that those who haven't won, they are also the winners in life, not here maybe, but winners in life. And congratulations to all of them. And I forgot to start with that. Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon to the eminent guests and to the entire Cafe team here. Coming back to Cafe, you have really left me inspired, and I have, this was a poem written by me on Women's Day, and I'm going to just read it out because I feel every day is a Women's Day. And these 2 days, y'all have left me inspired. And this is my little ode to all you women here. Yet another Women's Day. Have people changed their ways? What is that we are celebrating on this day? A woman who has a lot to say, but actually has no say or very less say. This permeates in all parts of her life, starting from her birth to whether she should be born or not. To her body, it should be covered or not. Whether she should eat or not. She should touch or not. She should work or not. She should marry or not. She should bear children or not. The list is endless. The above are, although a man's birthright, including the right to determine the above. Yet another Women's Day. Have I been able to play this game of life my way. Yes, I have been able to play, but had to pay every single day. Cause I wanted my life my way. Pay the cost of not being good enough in my own eyes. Pay the cost of living with guilt of not making the world happy by not living life its way. Pay the cost for having my own back. Yet another Women's Day. All in all, I can say, pay or not pay, say or not say, I am here to stay until I have my say and my play. So yet again, I will celebrate myself, not just today, celebrate all of us, not just today, but everywhere, every day. So thank you everyone. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Payal-ji.
Thank you, Kavita, for this wonderful opportunity. I don't see you here. And I want to say something about you. You are a true leader, a visionary, and a leader. You know, that most important quality I feel, apart from what everyone said today, is your quality to step back when it is needed. And you do that wonderfully. Thank you, Kavita.
Thank you so much for your kind words, Ms. Payal. Now may I invite the August directors of CAFE, Ms. Nidhi Karnani ji and Darshana ji. Kavita ji, please join us for felicitating Dr. Mamta Binani. Give her a huge round of applause, please. Mamta ji, please join us, also the directors and Kavita ji on stage. Mamta ji is an advocate, CS, National President of the Institute of Company Secretaries of India since 2016, President of MSME Development Forum, West Bengal. Thank you, ma'am, for being the jury for Pehchan Awards. Thank you so much. थैंक यू कविता जी, दर्शना जी, निधि जी, प्लीज बने रहिए हमारे साथ. ममता जी, may I invite you to please tell us your experience. Thank you.
आज बिल्कुल समय है ही नहीं कि हम इस बारे में ज़्यादा बात करें, बट बहुत बहुत ढेरों बधाइयाँ. आज हमारे साथ गोइंका जी बैठे हैं. ये अपने आप में एक इट्स अ सर्टिफिकेट दैट वी आर रियली डूइंग वेल. गोइंका जी का यहाँ आना, इमामी का पदार्पण यहाँ होना ही अपने आप में एक बहुत बड़ी रिकग्निशन है. थैंक यू सो मच गोइंका जी, आप हमारे साथ यहाँ हैं. प्रदीप भैया, थैंक यू सो मच, एंड एवरीबडी हियर. I am really honored, not because I've been taken up as a jury or anything like that. This is all supplementary and complementary things. What I'm very happy about is कि career after family, हम अपने घरों में भी अगर दादी जी को देखें, फॉर एग्जाम्पल बुआ जी को देखें, मासी जी को देखें, अपनी सिस्टर्स को भी देखें, तो हमें लगता है कि एक टाइम के बाद जब बच्चे स्पेशली थोड़े बड़े हो जाते हैं, हम फ्री हो जाते हैं, मेंटली भी फ्री हो जाते हैं और फिजिकली इनफैक्ट हम और रोबस्ट हो जाते हैं. क्योंकि जब कहते हैं ना, जब आँख था तो दांत नहीं था, तो अपनी ये सारी चीज़ें जानते हैं. उस समय का जो पीरियड जो हमने अपनी ज़िंदगी में निकाल रखा है, हम अब अपने बच्चों को वो पीरियड कभी सोचना भी नहीं चाहते कि उनके लाइफ में वो पीरियड आए. और वो सब करने के बाद आज हम कंफर्टेबल हैं, फ्री हैं मेंटली, फिजिकली. तो हमें लगता है कि क्यों हम सिर्फ टीवी वगैरह देख के अपने समय को व्यतीत करें. और एक ही बात हम सब समझने लग गए कि समय ही सबसे बहुमूल्य चीज़ है. जो है वो समय ही है हमारे पास, बाकी तो सब कुछ आता जाता रहता है. समय एक ऐसी चीज़ है जो कभी भी वापस नहीं आएगा. हैविंग सेड दैट, करियर आफ्टर फैमिली हमें ये बताता है कि कैसे कंस्ट्रक्टिवली हम अपने समय को यूज़ कर सकते हैं. इससे बेहतर दान और इससे बेहतर काम शायद और कुछ दुनिया में हो ही नहीं सकता. I am sure you know that don't give a fish, give somebody the fishing net and teach her or him how to do fishing. ये बहुत पुरानी कहावत है, हम बहुत बार सुन चुके हैं, और इसलिए ये जो आज यहाँ काम हो रहा है और काफ़ी टाइम से हो रहा है, अब जो इंडस्ट्री की सौगात अगर इस काम में लग जाए, आज हिमाद्री इज़ ऑल्सो विद अस, अगर इंडस्ट्री हमारे साथ जुड़ जाए तो हम इसको CSR के थ्रू एक अलग दिशा और एक अलग लेवल पे लेके जा सकते हैं. आई एज अ कंपनी सेक्रेटरी प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ ICSI, हाँ मैं फॉर्मर प्रेसिडेंट हूँ, अभी नहीं हूँ, पर जितना देखा है और समझा है, हम अपना श्रम दान दे सकते हैं, समय दान दे सकते हैं, अब सब कुछ कर सकते हैं, लेकिन धन दान के बिना कोई भी चीज़ एक पर्टिकुलर दायरे के बाहर नहीं जा सकती है. मैं अर्ज करती हूँ कॉर्पोरेट बॉडीज़ को कि हम आगे आएँ और इस धन जो आपके सामने है, ऊर्जा का जो धन हमारे सामने है, उसको हम प्रेरित कर कर एक दिशा पर लेकर जाएं. थैंक यू टू कविता एंड द एंटायर फैमिली.
Thank you so much, Mamta ji. May I now invite Ms. Garima Poddar from IIHM and IIPC to come and felicitate Mr. Pradeep Agarwal. May I invite Mr. Pradeep Agarwal to join us on stage, please? Ms. Garima Poddar, please join us, ma'am, along with the directors of Cafe and Kavita ji. I'd request all of you to please felicitate Mr. Pradeep Agarwal, CEO of the Heritage Group of Institutions, an astute administrator, over 30 years of experience in education sector. He is an honorary fellow of IICHE, an active contributor to educational initiatives of leading chambers in India, vis-a-vis CII, ICC, ASSOCHAM, FICCI, ARISE, Bharat Chamber, AIMA, and many more. Thank you, sir, for joining us and helping us get our Petard awardees. Sir, kindly I request you to please say a few words of encouragement. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Cafe, for inviting me for the second time. As a jury member, it's very difficult to judge who should be on the top. So I reviewed all the applications. I think everyone is winner. But being a jury member, you have to do some jugglery. The who should be the topper, 1, 2, 3. So I did that because we learned in our educational system that you have to award 1, 2, 3. So, but I would like to congratulate all of them that who actually nominated themselves, that what they are doing. I think everybody is doing great, and we need to encourage each and every one so that we can create a big pool of entrepreneurs. I would like to thank you, Kavita ma'am, Kavita ji. उन्होंने जो कार्रवाई स्टार्ट किया 6 साल पहले, आज 1,500 से ज़्यादा मेंबर्स बन गए, और उसका आज उन्होंने एक मूल मंत्र भी बोला, क्या लेके जाना है. तो कुछ ऐसा करना है जो कि पूरी दुनिया में, हम लोग अभी एम्पावरमेंट टू दी एडल्ट्स, कल मिस्टर मेहता वाज देयर, रोटरी इंटरनेशनल प्रेसिडेंट, एंड ही वाज टॉकिंग दैट हिज मूल मंत्र कि हम हाउ वी कैन इग्नाइट our adults who are illiterate. So he had a mission, and within 1 year time he will complete 10 lakhs adults empowered with the education, literacy. So I think this is a big deal, and I think when we have crossed a financial journey, when we talk about financial journey, we are 5th largest economy in the world, and now we are looking forward to become 4th economy in the world. So it will only happen if we are all together. So we are talking about career after family. I think Kavita ji will introduce in a year's time, career before family. So when all women, they are becoming entrepreneurs, तो बच्चे क्या करेंगे फिर? तो बच्चे will always become the entrepreneur. So I think they are becoming mentor and guiding force to their own family. I think it is a very big deal, and it is a very big initiative by CAFE. So CAFE, I feel that CAFE stands for courage, attitude, faith, because trust के बिना कुछ काम नहीं होता है, and empathy. So thank you very much for inviting me, and I think CAFE will progress many folds. All the best.
Thank you, Pradeep sir. Thank you so much. May I now invite our trio, Anupriya ji, Saroj ji, and Bhabita ji on stage, who have supported immensely in shortlisting the applications for awardees before the final jury selection. Kudos to your help. Thank you, all three of you. Kavita ji, please join us. May I now invite Mr. Atul Gupta. Sir, please join us on stage. Please welcome him with a huge round of applause, all of you. Mr. Atul Gupta is a visionary tech entrepreneur, education enabler, co-founder and CEO of Apse Connect, co-founder of Inspiria Knowledge Campus and vice president of TiE Kolkata. I request you all to please do the honors. Thank you so much, Atul sir, for being the jury for Pehchan Awards. And kudos to you, Saroj ji, Babita ji, and Anupriya ji, for helping in selection of the jury awardees. Thank you all so much for joining us. I humbly request all the felicitators to step down. And now I invite all the jury members once again to please join us for a group photo. Atul sir, please, few words from you.
Hi, good evening everyone. Thank you, Kavita, for having me as jury. Congratulations, CAFE. 6 years, an amazing journey. You guys have scaled so much. What 100 initiatives or so, annual initiatives, 100 annual initiatives. I mean, at TiE we do some 15, 20 annual initiatives and we are all burnt out. Not more than 15, 20. 100 is a lot of number. So, yeah. And this, I think the awards is another initiative which has come in CAFE. And the kind of nominations which was there was overwhelming. I had to make use, again, how Pradeep sir said that, some jugglery had to be done. So I also had to do some jugglery in order to figure out who's kind of scoring, but I'm sure the margins were very, very thin. So congratulations to everyone who had nominated themselves, and congratulations to everyone who won the award. And thank you so much.
Thank you, Atul sir. Thank you so much for your kind words. Okay. Sir, thank you for joining us. Dr. Radheshyam Goenka ji. And may we now have a group photo of all the juries and our guest of honor, Shri Radheshyam Goenka ji. Thank you all so much.